Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to easily get official brand logos directly in Canva without searching manually and Google. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva projects and on the left panel just click on apps and then search for brand fetch. This one, just click on it and then open. And then just type the brand name that you want, for example, Spotify. And then brand fetch will instantly pull up the official logos and other brand assets. And then just click on the logo that you like and it will be added to your design automatically. Now you can resize, move, or customize it however you like. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.